Hey there, I'm Josh Wooden Essentials. Today I'm going to show you how to take one cedar fence picket and turn it into a birdhouse. This birdhouse is a really good beginner project. All you need is a miter saw. If you don't have a miter saw, you can get away with just a circular saw. When I cut this, I started with where the dog ears are, and I put that for the back, which is 15 inches. The roof was 7.5 inches. The front of the birdhouse is 9.25. The two sides are at 10.25. And the bottom 4 1/8. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut everything down. Off camera, I did, before I even cut anything, I did give everything a real light sanding just to get all the roughness off of it. What I did was I measured 1 inch and then just took the speed square and then you want to pivot it to meet there. Draw your line and then you're going to double these up, cut it on the miter saw so that way the roof will be even. Or that way the walls will be even. I'm going to take the front piece and I'm going to drill a hole. Now depending on what size hole you use will attract different birds. I am going for 1.25 inches. I'm just going to eyeball center. And that looks good. So what I'm going to do now, instead of gluing this piece in, I'm going to make a pilot hole and use exterior screws for here, here, and maybe the front, depending on how it sits. Because that way, if you guys want to clean it out, all you got to do is remove the screws and the bottom comes right out. Now, all that's left is to attach to the bottom. Just remember, don't glue this.